In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message on Telegram without a sound. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up a Telegram app and then enter a conversation. Now here we can enter any text. And then if we want to send this message without a sound, all we have to do is first off long press at the send button, and that will give us these options here, and the first of them is send without sound. If we select that option, the photo will be sent. Also, a notification will pop up on the user's smartphone. They will also see that there is a new message in the conversation, but there will be no sound notification. This option may be useful if the message is not urgent, so as not to disturb the person because, for example, at that moment they may be asleep. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.